Ever wondered how to boost your health and vitality with just a glass of juice? Welcome to the vibrant world of vegetable juice, your gateway to a symphony of nutrients. Imagine sipping on the refreshing crunch of celery or the earthy sweetness of carrots, all condensed into a powerful elixir. This is not just a drink, but a celebration of health benefits, from immune boost to heart health. So get ready to explore the art of juicing and the science of nourishment. Stay tuned as we delve into the process of making these nourishing elixirs. Transforming fresh vegetables into a vibrant juice is simpler than you might think. It's all about knowing your ingredients and their unique flavors. If you're looking for a tangy kick, try a blend of carrot, apple, and ginger. This combination not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also packs a punch of vitamins A and C, and the ginger aids digestion. For a more mellow, refreshing concoction, consider the blend of kale, cucumber, and celery. This mix is a hydration hero, and the kale brings along its calcium and vitamin K for your bone health. Now, when it comes to choosing your vegetables, remember, freshness is key. Organic options offer a lower risk of pesticide residue, and seasonal produce often brings the best flavor and nutrient content. So get to know your local farmer's market or organic section in your grocery store. It's also important to rotate your vegetables. This not just prevents taste fatigue, but also ensures you're getting a diverse nutrient profile. One day you may focus on leafy greens like spinach and kale, and the next, you might go for colorful bell peppers and beets. Each vegetable has its unique nutritional offering, so mixing it up will give your body a full spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Remember, the versatility of vegetable juice extends beyond the glass. It can also be a base for soups or added to smoothies. Drinking vegetable juice not only boosts your health, but also supports weight management and provides a sustainable energy boost. Imagine this: a nutritionist walks into frame, sharing insights about the robust benefits of vegetable juice. Picture a myriad of benefits, from bolstering your immune system with vitamins A and C, aiding digestion with natural fibers and enzymes, to promoting radiant skin with essential minerals. Now, imagine people just like you, sharing their experiences of renewed vitality and health improvements after incorporating vegetable juice into their daily routines. But how do you keep this elixir of health fresh? Simple. Store your vegetable juice in airtight containers, refrigerate it immediately, and consume within 24 hours to ensure you're getting the maximum nutrients. Remember, rotate your vegetables for diverse nutrient profiles and to keep your taste buds guessing. In the end, the best vegetable juice is the one that suits your personal taste preferences and health goals.